Hey, quick question for you. Do you want to know the tips and tricks to make a pizza like this in your home oven? Of course you do. You're an intelligent, charismatic, and responsible person that wants to make really awesome pizza. I see you. So today I'm going to be hitting you with 3 powerhouse tips to make a pizza just like this using your standard home oven. Also, stay tuned until the end of the video for a bonus tip that I know is going to level up your pizza game. Okay, tip number 1. Let your sauce come up to room temperature before topping your pizza. Hopefully you already let your dough warm up before you go to make a pizza. If not, you need to start doing that immediately. But you should also let your sauce warm up to room temperature before you make a pizza with it. Topping a pizza with cold sauce is actually the #1 reason for developing a gum line on your pizza. What's a gum line, you might ask? Well, a gum line is that ooey gooey layer in between the base of the pizza and the toppings. And it's gross. It's also undercooked pizza dough, which could give you a stomachache. So cold sauce is going to inhibit the baking of that area of the pizza, resulting in the gum line. Unfortunately, a lot of people think a gum line is actually a normal part of pizza. It is not. Tell a friend and stop the gum line crisis before it goes any further. Okay, moving on to tip number 2. Your oven isn't hot enough. Most commercial pizzerias cook their pizzas between 600 and 900 degrees. In order to come close to this on a home oven, you're gonna have to truly max out your oven's temp. So here's the move. 1 hour before you plan on making pizza, put a piece of steel or stone in the oven and then turn your oven on high, whatever the max temperature is that it can go. 500 to 550 is pretty normal, but not broil. Do not even think about putting a pizza in there until a full hour has gone by. This will guarantee that the steel or stone is fully saturated with heat before you cook a pizza. After the hour, go ahead and toss your pizza in there, let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, give it a little spin, and then put your oven on broil to finish cooking the pizza. Probably another 2 to 3 minutes. This technique is going to get you pretty darn close to what you can achieve on a commercial pizza oven. That said, if you do have the means to purchase a home pizza oven like a Gosney or an Uni, it is kind of a game changer when it comes to what kind of pizzas you can make at home. Okay, tip number 3. You need to level up your cheese game. I could easily do a whole video on pizza cheese, and I probably should, so keep an eye out for that. But the bottom line is, if you're buying a pre-shredded generic pizza cheese like this, you're putting crappy cheese on your pizza. These pizzas have a ton of preservatives and anti-caking agents that are going to inhibit the way they melt on pizzas, and most often they end up burning way before they actually melt and a pizza's fully cooked. You're much better off getting a block of fresh mozzarella and shredding it by hand. The other good bet is a whole milk, low moisture mozzarella. You might have to ask for it in the cheese section of your grocery store. If you can get a block, that's ideal, and then shred it yourself. If not, you could probably find pre-shredded, but again, the key is whole milk, low moisture mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella should account for 80 to 90% of your total cheese blend on your pizza. The other 10 to 20% should be a hard cheese like a Parmesan, an Asiago, a hard provolone, or even cheddar depending on the style of pizza you're making. Okay, I promised you a bonus tip, and here it is. You should download and use the pizza app for making dough. It's super intuitive and might help you identify and tweak small improvements that you can make in your dough making process. I am not sponsored by or affiliated with the pizza app, but I can guarantee it will be a game changer for you if you get serious about making pizzas at home. Okay, if you found this video even the slightest bit helpful, I would suggest hitting that subscribe button because I'm going to just keep pumping out that pizza goodness for you, and I don't want you to miss out on anything.